How to do the Cobra stretch on bars. Set a horizontal bar at about waist height. You can lower the bar to reduce the difficulty and raise it to increase difficulty. Slowly ease into the pose. Breathe deeply and smoothly in the pose. Relax and hold 30 to 60 seconds. You might start out with only 10 or 15 seconds. Do not turn your head during the pose. Gently let gravity arch the entire spine, including the upper spine. Breathe slowly and deeply during the entire time. Slowly pull yourself out of the pose, and you're done.